YouTube is Rico, man. Back on the video. Y'all see what we got going on, man. We got the most incredible cases of wild animals invading people's homes. Now, I already know what to expect just based off the thumbnail. There's going to be a lot of wild stuff going on. There's going to be a lot of crazy animals you wouldn't even probably expect to be able to get into somebody's house. But other than that, if you're brand new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to share our channel and content with your friends, family, etc., etc. Because 9 times out of 10, if you enjoy this type of content, then those people you associate with might also enjoy these type of content as well. And also, don't forget, when y'all do subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you know exactly when we upload, because you don't want to miss out when we upload, and especially every single day. Other than that, like and comment, and we finna go ahead and get the screen record started. That started. Now I'm finna start the video. Them kangaroos, boy, that look swole. Like, what would y'all do in a situation where you just randomly walk to your living room and just see a kangaroo outside your window ready to try to bust through? Like, what would you do in that situation? Because I done seen a couple videos like that, and kangaroos really ain't scared of nothing, to be honest. The videos I seen, they pretty much like swole. Like, they basically like how you seen in the Kangaroo Jack movies and stuff. Like, you would think that that's really how they is, like ready to fight and etc., hold their ground pretty much. But me personally, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, something gonna have to happen. But I don't know what it is. I can't say on YouTube, man, because ain't no way I'm gonna just walk in my living room and just see a kangaroo trying to bust through the window like that. Can't go like that. So something gotta happen before something get broke. But other than that, we're gonna continue on. But yeah, that's definitely crazy and incredible to see. And it look like that's a regular neighborhood. Like, where do these people live where you just got wild kangaroos literally outside your house? That look like a whole community, and the kangaroo just randomly appeared in your neighborhood. But yeah, if it ain't Australia or something, then I don't know what to tell you about that. But yeah, that's just crazy.
You'll bloody break the thing.
Oh yeah, they got that accent too.
Not till next year. When Daddy's gonna buy. Here, dirty little. Hey, Miss Bear. Miss Bear is trying to use her floaty. Oh my goodness, that ball's popped, huh? This is worse than having doggies playing with this stuff. They're funny.
Wherever these people live, I do not want to live, just because, one, a pack of wild bears, pretty much a family of them. Yeah, nah, that's too much danger in my comfort zone right there, man. Because anything could happen, just like how this bear ended up in somebody's house. Like, what if somebody in their house just chilling, and a whole wild bear just walk up on you in your own crib? Like, you really can't plan on what to do next right there. Is because it's already too late. Because if that bear want to do something, pretty much out the game at that point. Because y'all know how bears is, man. They very dangerous to try to fight. But other than that, yeah, definitely do not want to live in these neighborhoods wherever they live. A whole cub like bear just in your crib. In your kitchen and all, refrigerator.
No.
Now this definitely gotta be in Florida, cause I already know what to expect. Once you see a wild alligator just on your front porch, you already know what time it is. That's definitely gotta be Florida or wherever alligators are common to be roaming the streets in your neighborhood and stuff. Cause that's another thing right there too. You gotta be careful where you live in Florida, because some of these type of animals just literally end up on your front porch, and you ain't really nothing you can really do about it. But just better hope that it don't find a way into your crib or nothing like that crazy.
Use your hands! Use your hands! That's a deer! It's a deer! It's a deer! It's a deer! Stand down!
Hell no. This whole time, the police thinking this a whole break-in and stuff. Somebody probably called and said they hearing a lot of commotion, and they probably didn't even see that it was a whole deer that broke into somebody's crib. They just know somebody got something going on crazy next door and called the police and stuff. And the police don't really know what's going on. Next thing you know, you just end up in the house and find out it's a whole deer. Like, what do you do in that situation right there? Like, do you call the homeowner and just be like, look, I don't know what to say. Like, you got a deer that broke into your crib. Like where do you go from there at that point? Because it ain't nothing much you could do. You just better hope your whole house ain't towed up at that point, because now you going to have to pay for a brand new window, all type of new stuff that you might have that's valuable in your house if the deer got a hold of it. And yeah, so on pretty much. It's like, at that point, it's like, really, what do you do? Oh, okay. From the outside, we ain't even hear the alarm. So pretty much, the police got notified of a break-in at a house that had a burglary, security system alarm or whatever. So they came. They didn't really know who broke in or what. They just had to go investigate. Y'all already know how that go. But yeah, man. Once they got there, I know they were like, "What the fuck?" A whole deer, literally. Look like a mini cub though. Just because it ain't got no antlers, and obviously it ain't real big. It's just a kid cub. Tearing up stuff, trying to find a way back out. Damn. My man said, "Oh, the door right there. The deer choose to run more deeper into the house." It's like, at this point, now y'all gotta sit here and figure out how to make the deer go outside. You see, they got your house chairs and all. Like, that's a whole crazy scene. Like, what if you just turn on your security home system and just see police really trying to get a deer out your crib? That stuff's tough. That's tough.
There we go.
I know they was laughing like a mug at that. Like, a deer, really? And that's another thing. Like, you got a big, nice pool in your backyard. You ain't expecting nothing to pop out of nowhere, jump in, and none of that. Next thing you know, a whole alligator in your pool. I'm trying to tell y'all, some of these neighborhoods, gotta be careful, man. You gotta find out everything wherever you live, where it might be some wild animals like this roaming around, because just like them, they chilling. It's nighttime, chilling. Next thing you know, a whole alligator jump in there, and you ultimately could have lost your life just by not noticing a whole alligator is right where you at. I ain't gonna lie, that's just crazy, man. Got a whole pool, you just want to relax. Next thing you know, a whole killer alligator right there. Tough. Another deer. Oh, he in the pool. Bruh. Nah, I can't even get out the pool. Now y'all gotta figure out how to get the damn deer out the pool without getting messed up by his antlers. This gotta be Australia again or something crazy, cause how are you just chilling in your pool and a whole full grown elephant just walk up to your shit? Yeah, ain't no way. Nah, you definitely ain't got no choice but to just sit there and let it do what it do. Cause an elephant that big, yeah, you out the game. You might well let it do what it gotta do and bail. And I don't know what you would do in that situation, who you would call, to be honest, to handle a whole wild elephant. That's just crazy. That's just crazy. I ain't got nothing to say.
No, sweetie. Go out. There you go.
Don't get behind her.
Okay, get out. Okay, get out.
I knew I heard something in the house.
Holy criminy.
A whole moose or another deer. Cause that looked like more of a moose, but ain't no telling. Snakes and 2 lizards fighting on your porch. Or is that another lizard? No, that's a snake and a lizard.
What is this at our door?
Hell no. Yeah, these countries and stuff, and places like Australia and stuff with wild animals, you gotta be very careful, man, because you got something almost like an anaconda just in your backyard or possibly in your crib and all type of stuff. Now, that's just one of my worst nightmares to wake up or just be roaming the crib and see a whole anaconda like snake in the crib. Like, what do you do in that situation? Tough. Couldn't be me. That's all I gotta say. Couldn't be me.
Go.
It'll go.
Go. I'm gonna get my gun.
Go. Come on,
Get
go.
in the house, Mom.
Get in the house. Get the drink. Get
He's
your
gonna eat my
stuff.
shrimp. Go. Get out of it. It's gonna get hot. Get. Woo.
Watch out.
All right. Get.
No.
Go.
Get.
Go get mine.
They shitty. They cooking food and everything. And that bear said, y'all know what? Y'all gonna have to share some of that real quick. Y'all cooking? Oh, yeah. It's about that time for me to eat anyway. Like, what do you do? Shoot, I would have... Forget the camera. Hey, something gonna have to happen. Now you finna eat my food? Nah, can't go like that. But at that point, though, out the game.
Get out of there! Get.
Here, let me put my thing
Hold
back.
it, please.
Stick, quit.
Quit.
Go.
Get.
Josh, here.
Get out of there.
That's why you don't never leave the grill wide open, man. When you're in the crib or something, ain't nobody nearby, close the grill. Because a wild animal like that might just pop up and take your stuff. So definitely should have kept that closed.
Dad, get out of there.
Quit. Yeah.
Josh, quit.
Go.
Go.
Yeah.
Josh.
Get out of there. Go.
Quit.
Go.
No.
Finna knock the whole grill over.
Dad, get away. Josh, get. Let him have it. Get, Josh. Get. Josh. No. Josh, quit. Let him have it. Let him have it. Move. This ain't funny. Move, Jacob. Move.
Go.
He's leaving. Go. He's got to get your steak real quick. Give it to him. Give him one. Give him one.
There. Go on.
Go get it.
Threw a whole bunch of food and he ain't even...
Get my steak, Dane. Give me a pan.
He tossed the whole steak. The bear didn't even go after it. What if the bear don't even go and pick it up? You just literally lost the whole thing of steak right there.
А ты что, запрятался,
A whole fox in the chicken coop. Tough. You already know what type of time that fox on.
а?
Or a
Ладно,
coyote.
считайте, что ты.
Might be a coyote too.
Let's go. At the front.
Whole family of raccoons in the crib. Tough. But you definitely gotta take care of that situation before they just multiply and literally be all through your crib in the ceilings and shit. But yeah, man, I definitely gotta get that situation solved. Cause once you get raccoons in your crib, you gotta find somebody that's able to basically get rid of them. Cause if they in your crib and starting the whole family, over with. You're gonna be hearing stuff all night, all day in your crib. You not knowing what it is, but then once you find out, it's gonna be like, damn, crazy.
Other way. Come on. Come on. Out the door. Go. You guys are huge. Come on. Stop. Out the door. There you go. There's one. They all are. Look at this.
They ain't missing no meals. They probably all up in somebody else's crib too or something crazy. But they missing no meals.
This one. 2. 6. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Go. Come on, Tubbs. Let's go.
That one said he ain't trying to go nowhere.
Go. Wait for this bear. Look at this one.
Got even more inside the wall.
Come on. Out.
A whole grizzly bear under your porch. What if you just walking and it ain't making no noise, and then next thing you know, you getting grabbed up by a whole grizzly bear. You can instantly lose your life messing with a bear, man. Tough. Some of these places, man, definitely got to stay away from. But that's just me, though, because I ain't got no time to be trying to play around with no crazy wild animals like them. Too big, too strong, too deadly, pretty much.
All right, go there. Wrong way.
He look bad, like, you know you ain't finna try to chase me out. I'm leaving because I'm leaving, but no, you ain't finna come following behind me, man. You better back up.
Go. Oh, yeah. Nice.
It's so disrespectful. It said, you know what, but since you want to make me leave your crib where I was comfortable at, let me take a number 2 right here real quick, and then I'm going to leave. That's tough, man. Some of these animals, boy, I would definitely not want to see around my crib, let alone inside the crib at that. But that's pretty much the end of this video, man. If y'all enjoyed watching it and reacting, of me reacting to it and stuff, man, make sure you leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe as well. And also don't forget to share our content with your family and friends. Like I said earlier, if you enjoy this type of content, they might enjoy this type of content as well. But other than that, man, don't forget to also turn on post notifications so y'all know exactly when we drop videos. We upload every single day. You don't want to miss out. But other than that, see y'all later on. Peace.